UK government the law and your role for.
Question 1. Is the statement below true or false? Income tax is payable for all the service sectors such as education, roads and the armed services.
True. False.
Answer.
True.
Question 2. Out of the following, what is the mandatory requirement for owning cars or motorcycles in UK?
Valid motor insurance. Vehicle registration with a DVLA. Payment of an annual road tax. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 3. Which of the following statements do you think is correct?
The House of Commons may never overrule the House of Lords. The House of Commons may overrule the House of Lords.
Answer.
The House of Commons may overrule the House of Lords.
Question 4. What are the roles and responsibilities of a civil servant?
To deliver public services. To implement government policy. To support the work of the government. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 5. In which of the following areas voluntary activities can be taken up?
Local hospitals. Youth projects. Museums. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 6. Since when did the democratic voting system start in the UK?
1969. 1918. 1889. 1928.
Answer.
1928.
Question 7. Who is responsible in a Crown Court to give verdict of guilty?
The judge. The barrister. The defendant. The jury.
Answer.
The jury.
Question 8. Out of the following actions, which action is not considered to be a crime?
Harassing someone because of his or her ethnic origin. Owing money to someone. Selling alcohol to someone under the age of 18. Carrying a weapon.
Answer.
Owing money to someone.
Question 9. Which of the following statements do you think is correct?
It is possible to register as a blood donor online. It is only possible to register as a blood donor by visiting your local hospital.
Answer.
It is possible to register as a blood donor online.
Question 10. What must be the minimum age to be able to drive a car or motorcycle?
17. 70. 16. 25.
Answer.
17.
Question 11. What minimum age is required for a person willing to contest for public office?
16. 21. 18. 23.
Answer.
18.
Question 12. What kind of monarchy exists in UK?
Absolute. Democratically elected. Constitutional. Provisional.
Answer.
Constitutional.
Question 13. In your opinion, which of the following is more appropriate?
It is possible to become a school governor by asking a local school if they have a vacancy available. The only way to become a school governor is by applying at the school governor's one-stop shop online.
Answer.
It is possible to become a school governor by asking a local school if they have a vacancy available.
Question 14. By moving a campaign, a newspaper's owner may try to influence government policy.
True. False.
Answer.
True.
Question 15. Is Scottish Parliament empowered to make laws affecting education?
Yes, but only if the law is approved by Westminster. Yes, education is not a matter reserved to the UK Parliament.
Answer.
Yes, education is not a matter reserved to the UK Parliament.
Question 16. Which of the following statements is correct?
Police do not have the power to confiscate alcohol from people drinking in public. Police have the power to confiscate alcohol from people drinking in public.
Answer.
Police have the power to confiscate alcohol from people drinking in public.
Question 17. We can have information about different political parties from their own respective websites.
True. False.
Answer.
True.
Question 18. How should one enlist her name in the electoral register?
By contacting your local electoral registration office. By contacting your MP. By contacting your MEP. All of the above.
Answer.
By contacting your local electoral registration office.
Question 19. What are the reasons for conducting ballots privately in polling booths?
So people can vote how someone else has told them to vote. So people can vote how they wish. So people can vote as many times as they wish. None of the above.
Answer.
So people can vote how they wish.
Question 20. Indicate which of the following is correct.
Completed ballots must be handed to an election official. Completed ballots must be placed in a ballot box.
Answer.
Completed ballots must be placed in a ballot box.
Question 21. Indicate which is correct.
It is usually possible to volunteer with the police, but never as a magistrate. It is possible to volunteer with the police or apply to be a magistrate.
Answer.
It is possible to volunteer with the police or apply to be a magistrate.
Question 22. The Prime Minister owns the responsibility for making all the acts in Parliament.
True. False.
Answer.
False.
Question 23. In which year is the Welsh Assembly and the Scottish Parliament formed?
2008. 2003. 1999. 1997.
Answer.
1999.
Question 24. Is the following statement true or false? The website for the Northern Ireland's electoral office is www.eoni.org.uk.
True. False.
Answer.
True.
Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.